Last week, a colleague of mine struggled to record a demo of a website he just finished designing for a client. After downloading 3 sketchy apps, he still couldn't do it. I grabbed his phone, swiped down, click on the screen record, and boom, screen recording started. He looked at me as if to say I was a wizard. And then it hit me that most of us have no idea what our phones can really do. Hey, this is Ibrahdaily, and in this video I'm going to reveal to you 3 hidden smartphone features that can make your life more easier and a lot cooler. Tip number 1, screen recorder. Let's start with the one that wowed my friend, and that is the screen recorder inbuilt in a phone. Now, whether you are recording a tutorial video or just trying to save anything on Snapchat, or you are actually recording a demo like in the case of my friend, then you don't have to struggle because you have an inbuilt screen recorder that can do the work for you. If you are using an iPhone or Android, it's just a matter of you swiping down, click on the screen recorder, and then you have it. If you are using an older version of iPhone, you just click on the swipe from the home button upwards, and then your screen recorder will be there. You click on it, and then you start recording. Tip number 2, custom vibration. Tell me if this is familiar. Your phone vibrates. You scramble to pick it up, and you realize that it's just a notification of your account balance or your data balance from your network. How disappointed can that be? Do you know you can actually customize phones based on the personalities you have on your phone? Like, for instance, if you customize the vibration for your boss, let's say to buzz, pause, and then buzz. That is a customized vibration for your boss. Or if it is your friend, to buzz, and you know this is your friend calling. Now, how are you going to do that? For iPhone, you go to contact, you go to edit, you go to ringtone, and then vibration. You set it for the person you want. And for Android, use your contacts app to set patterns per person. That's how it is done. Tip number 3, use as a remote. Last one, and that one always gets a jaw drop. You know that old remote you keep looking for in your couch? Yes, that one. It's in your pocket now. You know, most phones come with inbuilt infrared technology in them. You see that black spot at the top of the phone? Yeah, that one. Most remotes are made with that technology using infrared. So in order for you to control your AC, your TV, or even your camera, this is all you have to do. Download My Remote app or the Universal Remote app, and boom, you start controlling these devices of yours. And that's it. So which one blew your mind? Is it the remote trick or the screen recorder that blew your mind? Let us know in the comment section. Now, if you have learned anything new, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and you can share this video so that others will benefit from it as well. Thank you for watching.